Okay, so agree ka ba sa scorecard ng Inoue versus Nakatani? So the scorecard is 116, 112, 115, 113, 116, 112 unanimous decision win for Naoya Inoue. Honestly, ako ang score ko 114, 114, but I would agree with 115, 113. And I have no problem with 116, 112. Now, here's my problem though. Inoue and Nakatani, expected naman natin that this is gonna be a high-level fight. And this is exactly what happened. Siyempre, yung iba sinasabi boring kasi masyado silang technical, masyado silang defensive-minded, masyado silang nag-iingat sa isa't isa. And why not? Siyempre, they're the two best boxers sa Japan. Talagang mag-iingat sila. So, medyo, sabi ng mga ibang Filipino fans, naging boring daw. Do you agree with that? Naging boring yung laban. Sa akin namang, I enjoyed it. I think Nakatani was able to do what he wanted to do on the defensive side. No? Na depensa niya, na control niya yung distansya, hindi basta-basta nakakapasok itong si Naoya Inoue. And Naoya Inoue, parang yung kanyang superpower na offense and yung kanyang suntok, parang wala. Now, he was fast. Yes, he was fast. Pero yung mabilis nga siya, pero kulang naman yung kanyang kamay. Kasi ang bilis ng ano niya, mabilis ng kasa niya, pero may ganyan distansya eh. May gap na hindi makadikit yung kamay. So that is why konti lang yung patama niya kay Nakatani, and that's why Nakatani is fresh in a way. No? Ito naman si Nakatani, the thing that I would have sana na ginawa po sana ni Nakatani, especially after the 6 rounds when medyo kasi parang back and forth yung laban eh. Back and forth. My round, your round. And Nakatani knows na siya yung underdog. So, now the scorecard might not be in his favor. Nagkulang siya siguro sa late adjustment. Nakikita natin nagkakaroon siya ng success if he's attacking but still controlling the distance. So, yun yung naging issue doon. But, honestly, sa mga nagsasabi na Nakatani nanalo, you can say that, but I think Inoue really won that fight. It was, kumbaga, kind of expected being they are so respectful with each other. Now, what's next? Do I want to see a rematch? May mga fans na nagsasabi wag daw. Ako, I want to see a rematch. I think sa rematch, mas kilala na nila isa't isa and mas magiging engaging. Ang haba, 3 rounds yata yung kanilang peeling out round eh. 3 rounds silang nagbasahan eh. So, and then masyadong nabasa nila ito isa't isa, masyadong lang nirespeto yung isa't isa, and that's why hindi rin sila masyadong bumababad eh. And masyadong maganda yung depensa kasi ni yung depensa ni Nakatani was so good in a way na kaya hindi rin nakapasok. So, I don't have any problem with the decision. Initially, I was thinking knockout, but nang nakita ko sa kanila, chinat ko nga yung mga kaibigan ko, sabi ko baka decision to. Especially with yung ginagawa ni Inoue, yung kanyang naging strategy lately, maingat na din eh. So, masyado na naging maingat yung mga fighter. I expect a rematch. Yung Bam Rodriguez, hindi ko alam. Basta, I feel unfulfilled. And I do not, parang, kung ako si Inoue, akit akong timbang, parang hindi muna. There's a big fight. Why it makes sense? 55,000 na po nila. Kahit kalahati lang ang bumili sa rematch nila, panalo pa rin yan kaysa sa ibang boxer. Kaysa naman yung iba na medyo mahina sa 126 pag-akit niya. Ito na lang. Rematch. Do you agree?